Alright, welcome again, Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for being here. This is an appreciation, our token of appreciation to all those who have subscribed to the channel, all those who have viewed my channel and spend the time out to watch my video. It could have been 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 seconds. I really do appreciate it. I want to say I love the fact that you guys show me the support, and I want to say thank you very much for that support throughout. This is New Year's, and I want to say this is Christmas. I'm talking about New Year's. But anyways, a Merry Christmas to you and your loved ones. I wish you prosperity, I wish you long life, and I wish you happiness. A Merry Christmas from me, Military Guna, MGTV. Continue to support me. Keep checking on the channel, and I'll continue to give you good content. Military Guna TV, enough love, peace.